Once you have Konube installed, you'll see a tab on the left hand side called Konube Connections. Click on that tab and you'll see a link to the Getting Started guide. We recommend you check it out before running Konube Integrator. As of today, you can connect to Microsoft Azure or Rackspace with Amazon Web Services coming soon. So let's jump into adding a connection. You see a link, you click on that Add a New Connection link. In the pop-up window, you need to specify a name, what provider you want to connect to, and depending on your provider, credentials to authenticate. Let's call our connection Big Data Server and Big Data Servers, and since it's an Azure connection, we pointed to uh, the published settings file we have downloaded from our Azure subscription. There's a link below that to that file. You see a success notification. Click OK, go to plans, and let's create a new hosting plan for our connection. Again, pick a name. We call ours Big Data Hosting and click the arrow on the right. Obviously, Konube Connections here. Next. OK. On your plans view, click on your new plan in order to configure it. Click on the plan again and specify quota parameters. You have to click add and that'll let you configure your connections. Let's give it a VM count of 1. Go ahead and save that. While the updates run, OK. And then go to your user accounts. First go back to plans and see your plan, then you go to your user account and you add a subscription. Add new subscription. This is our new plan. Okay. Okay. I'll take a minute to sync. Once that's active, you can go to your tenant portal and sign in. We already signed in, and you see your existing Konube VMs. This is from a previous plan that we created. We refresh that to let our new subscription show up, and you can see a new tab called subscription. We can filter our subscription once we have multiple subscriptions. So let's remove standard hosting and see the new subscription that we created. And as you can see, there's nothing there yet. So let's go ahead and create a new VM. Let's place it in Southeast Asia. Give it a name. Size, image. Username, password, and go ahead and click create. This takes a second. Still waiting. And we see it created. It's currently stopped. So now that we've created a VM, let's go ahead and try and create another VM. New, same process. Konube VMs, create a new virtual machine, same plan, same connection. Let's call it 05, 06. Username, password. And create. And that should fail. Remember, we gave it a quota limit of 1. So we've already used that 1 out of 1 VM. Anyway, click OK and go to subscriptions, and in the filter by subscriptions, let's see all our subscriptions together. And here we'll see all our items. Click on Konube VMs and we see the 3 VMs that we created from the previous plan, as well as the 1 VM that we created from this plan. Now we try and connect to one of these. Give the username, password. I'll give you the warning. And there you go. Let's close this thing down. Let's stop and delete these VMs. Done. Let's go to our subscriptions and see big data hosting again. We should see a new excuse me. And let's try and connect to the VM we just created with our new plan. And as you can see, we're able to connect. Those are our 2 connections, those are 2 plans. Thanks for tuning in.